Welcome back to the Redbird Shed for yet another thrilling episode of the life of the Red Factor Canary. Most of my birds now have molted out. There's the odd one with a small amount of feathers around the face which has still got to go, but I've stopped giving them the colourful red in the water now. The birds have been on it long enough. I don't want to stress out the liver much more. I'm not showing them, so it doesn't matter if there's the odd imperfection in the coloration or in the feathers. So I think I've got most of them sorted now. I've got most of the cocks on the bottom row. The odd one has a bit of indecision with some of the hens still, but I'll show you that in a minute. Thanks to Philip Rahim. Go check his YouTube channel out. I haven't got many intensive red cock birds because I've bred plenty of non-intensive hens, so he helped me out with a nice cock bird which I'll be using hopefully next year's breeding season. If you want to wait to the end of the video, you'll see a photo of a new adventure. I'm starting another YouTube channel. If you want to check it out, the link will be below. If I get enough people subscribing to the channel, then I'll start doing update videos with my new adventure, and I'll tell you all about why I'm doing it and the reasons for. So yeah, check it out, see what you think, and I'll talk to you in a second. Oh, here we go. These are the hens. As you can see, they're now fully coloured up. Pretty certain these are all hen birds. I've seen none of these singing. Just one of them is a known hen from last season. As you can see, there's some nice colours, nice dark reds, especially in the intensive birds. Those two there. And in the middle row, we've got some more hens. Not more hens, but more hens. These are coloured up now, fully coloured. The variegated, there's two heavily variegated birds in here. One there, one down here. I've seen the odd one of those singing a tiny bit, but that still could be an hen. I think the hens, but a lot of the hens this year are, I say, non-intensive, but they are really big birds. So I'll be looking to put a nice, larger, intensive cock bird to them for next year. And then on the bottom row are the cock birds. This one here, as you can see, that's from Phil. That's the latest one. I think that was the one. Yeah, because some of mine are really dark red as well. Philip's birds are always known for having a good colour, but I've got a few good ones in here as well this year. I don't mind using Phil's birds because quite a few of these have actually come from crosses with birds I've had off Phil in the past. So the bloodline is pretty much the same or very close to. So they should go well with all the other birds are bred. As I say, they're nice. Look at the colours on that. Really dark red. Some real crackers in there. So I'll be, over the next few weeks, I'll be starting to select my pairs for next year. I'll always keep the odd cock bird, and I should always keep one or two extra hens. But I'm hoping I've got enough there now to actually select quite a few pairs. I only want 4 or 5 for next year. That's all I normally breed. I mean, they bred 22 this year, and if I breed them again, that amount next season, that is actually ample for me. It's just a nice amount to take care of. So yeah, there you go. I seen a few people at the Stafford show, guys enjoy catching up with, like George McVeigh. I don't know how he got on with his birds he showed, but I know, as I say, Tony Case, I know he did quite well. first year with his birds in the show. I'd say Phil did really well, Billy Rahim. So yeah, some good results for those guys, and well done to them. And it's well done to them just for actually entering the shows. I mean, it's something I've got to get my head round and start doing. I've got some decent birds now, and I ought to get out there and just put the odd one in a show just to see how it fares against some of the other birds. But yeah, some cracking birds. So yeah, go and have a look. I'll put a clip, just a photo at the end of this video. Wait till the end, have a look. You might be surprised of the pair of birds I've got. Make your mind up. It's not for everybody, but there you go. Go and have a look, see what you think. Let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.